Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Winter Fabfitfun Box, and I'm not super excited about it because I canceled my subscription. I actually went back into my account to cancel my subscription again, and for some reason I still got charged for my Fabfitfun. And I didn't pick any of my products because I canceled. So I'm not really sure why this is continuously happening to me, that I am getting this subscription. It's not PR. I know for sure it's not PR. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know why I'm getting this. It's like Fabfitfun just wants to send me their boxes so badly, but they don't want to send them to me for free. They want me to pay for them. So we're here today to do my Fabfitfun. But first, let me show you guys the DIY Nail Shack for December 2021. This is $12.95 a month, and it's nail stickers. Now, I'm not wearing them on my nails right now, but this is what you would receive, or maybe not. There's different styles, but every month you get 4 packs of nail stickers. You get a nail file and a cuticle pusher. And then this month I received this design, little snowflakes, more snowflakes, and then I received a really pretty solid mauvey pink shade. And I love nail stickers. Absolutely love them. They're really good. I tell you guys all the time when I do wear them how much I love them. All right, so the Fabfitfun Winter Box looks like this. It's Gigantor. And if you don't know, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription. It is $49.99 every 3 months, and you get it per season. So this is a winter, then we'll get the spring, etc. All right, so let's see what we have in this box. Did you get your Fabfitfun? If you did, what did you get? What were the choices? Let me know. I know that you have to look them. I know you have to look everything up online, and I didn't bring my phone down here, so I'm not going to look anything up, but I'll show you guys what I received. Okay, so when you open up the box, make sure you guys can see, it looks like this. I'm going to bring this chair over when Anne is here and we're filming our podcast. This is her chair. Okay, so I have stickers, and then a $15 off Fabfitfun coupon. Here is the coupon code. If you want to use it, use it. If not, it's fine with me. I mean, they charge you even if you don't have a subscription. So, all right, so here is the magazine for Fabfitfun. And they used to put the products in here, like what you got in your box, but they don't do that anymore, which I find really disappointing. I wish they would, so I didn't have to, you know, look them up online, but okay. All right, so the first thing is this, and this is Design, Make, Love, Craft, Crush. It's a winter flower embroidery kit. Okay, I do not embroider. Embroider, is that how you say embroider? But I'm sure I could learn. Maybe this is a step-by-step. I would assume that it would be step-by-step, because if it's not, so nobody would pick it, correct? Okay, so it's supposed to look like that. And it gives you all of the yarn and stuff you need to use. Maybe I'll give that to one of my kids. It's cute, it's pretty. Okay, oops. Then we have the Sonic's Bluetooth speaker right here, which I'm not mad at. I'm not excited, but I'm not mad. And it comes with a USB cord. And here is the speaker. It's cute. I wonder if it works like really well, if the sound is good. My husband uses a Bluetooth speaker all the time, so it's nice to have an extra one in the house. Okay. Then we have this, and these are Isaac Mizrahi, New York. I don't know what these are. Oh, I think they're slippers. Yeah, they're slippers. Okay. I don't wear slippers, but I will. My kids will probably wear these more than me. Scarlett always takes like my shoes, like my boots, like my Uggs and stuff, and she wears them outside and ruins them. So maybe I'll give her these. Like, here, wear these instead. All right, so they look like this. I mean, they're not bad. How do they know how it will fit on your foot? Like what this size is? Is it one size fits all? I can't imagine people with little tiny feet wearing these. I wonder how much these are. Oh, they're size medium. What if I need a size large? I wonder if these are expensive. I mean, they look expensive. They don't look expensive, but the name looks expensive. You know what I mean? Sometimes the names just look expensive. Okay, then we have the Cranberry and Apple Probiotic Repair 3 Moisturizing and Repairing Sheet Masks made with apple, cranberry extract, vitamin C, multi-peptides, probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, there's 3 sheet masks in here. Then, oh, I have a bunch of stuff on the side. So we have Bright Sellers coupon, a HelloFresh coupon, more HelloFresh stuff. Meet our multipliers. It's a 360 wellness starter pack. It's something you put in your water. Okay. And then we have this, and this is a Barefoot Scientist. And I think this is one of those feet things that you like rub on your feet to get all the skin off, or the rough, like the calluses. Okay. Ooh, that's rough. Yeah, that will really work on your feet. Okay. So we have this side, and has the little bumps, and then we have this side and it's smooth. I kind of would be a little scared of this. It might like shave my whole entire foot off. Next time you guys see me, I don't have feet. I'm like, I couldn't stop. Okay. Then we have this, and this is an electric wine opener. It's a stainless steel electric wine opener. I don't know if I'll ever use this. Just honestly, I don't really drink, but this would be a really good present. So here is, I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I will definitely re-gift this for sure. Okay. And it comes with 4 batteries, which is nice. I mean, sometimes you don't even get batteries with your like vibrators. Not that you guys need to know that, but I'm just saying. Okay. And the last but not least is this. And this is a mason jar cocktail shaker kit. Wow. Okay. So this might be a really cute regifting gift as well. Let's open her up. I got this. Okay. I mean, it's not like amazing, but it's cute. I love anything that has to do with mason jars. But here we go, a cocktail mixer. You got the little spoon, and then, okay, there we go. Okay, let's put it back so it looks like I didn't look at it. Probably my fingerprints will give it away, but I'll probably give it to my twin sister. She's not going to care about my fingerprints. All right, guys, so that was my winter box for FabFitFun 2021. I got the mason jar shaker kit. What is it? Mason jar cocktail shaker kit. I got a Sonya Bluetooth speaker. These slippers, these feel really, really cheap. Just saying, they feel cheap. You expect them to be a little heavier if they're more expensive, but I have no idea because I don't buy slippers, so I could just be talking out of my ass. Then we have the Vitamask Cranberry and Apple face mask. This Barefoot Scientist foot scrubber. I think I'm most excited for that. And the Winter Flower Embroidery Kit. I think that's it. Oh no, and the electric wine thing. So I got a few things to re-gift, and then I also got one thing that I'm excited about, and the other stuff is just like, but I'm not like super, you know what I mean? This wasn't a great box. I bet you it would have been awesome if I actually was able to pick my products. I really wish that they would stop charging me. Honest to God, I wish they would stop charging me because I don't want to spend $50 on something that I just don't generally need. And I've been getting rid of a lot of subscription boxes. And Fabfitfun, I got rid of a year ago. And I've gotten every box since. It's driving me nuts. And my last box was horrendous, guys. I don't know if you remember me unboxing it, but it was absolutely horrible. It was terrible. But, all right, guys, that is it for today. That was my winter Fabfitfun box for 2021. What did you get in yours? What were the choices? Let me know in the comments below. I hope everyone's having a really great day. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.